All right, we got a couple infinite random variable questions here. So the height of a hibiscus flowering plant for sale at Big Dave Super Mega Nursery are approximately normal with a mean of 27.4 inches and a standard deviation of 4.2 inches. If I pick a hibiscus flowering plant, or a random hibiscus flowering plant, what is the probability that it'll be shorter than 2 feet tall? Which, of course, that would be 24 inches. Just try to throw something a little bit different in these problems. College Board's always really good at figuring out different things to make it complicated. So here we go. So first of all, this is 3-step: state, do, conclude. And conclude is answer the question in a sentence. Doesn't have to be interpret, but you have to answer the question in a sentence with context. So first of all, for state, I'm going to do my variables x, and that's going to be the height of a hibiscus flowering plant. And sorry, that's pretty hard to read. And then X follows normal distribution with 27.4 for the mu, and sigma is 4.2. Oh, sorry, you don't need to put that sigma there. I don't even know why I did that, but we can fix that real quick. All right, and then we're going to want to know what's the probability that X is. Now, on this one, you got to be careful. It says shorter than 2 feet tall, so shorter than 24, and I'm going to do that one as inches, not as feet. But I do need to make sure that I put less than, not less than or equal to. It didn't say at most 2 feet. It said less than 2 feet. So probably that X is less than 24. So on this one, that's going to be normal CDF. And then remember, you have to write this. You cannot take any shortcuts. And also that's your mu of X and sigma X. They don't really seem to get too much in a twist if you forget to put the X. So this one, I'm going to put 0 and then to 24. I could put negative 1,000 or something like that, but 0 is probably good enough for the lower end bound for the height of a plant, because it really can't be any shorter than that. And then 27.4 for mu and sigma 4.2. Then I plug that in the calculator. That's second vars, or the distribution menu. And then number 2, hopefully you've done this enough that that's not too complicated for you. And you'll have to excuse me, I just mistyped something in my calculator, so I need to go back. Somehow my mu, I forgot the decimal, and I got 2,704. I think that would probably mess up my answer there. Instead of 27.4, and I come up with 0.209, we'll say. And then now I'll say no. There is about a 20.9% chance that a randomly selected hibiscus flowering plant from Big Dave's Super Mega, and you like that context? I did that on purpose just to be a pain. Okay, and you can't skip that. It's not all plants. It's the plants at Big Dave's Super Mega Nursery that we're selecting from. So it absolutely makes a difference. So there's about a 20.9% chance that a randomly selected hibiscus flowering plant from Big Dave's Super Mega Nursery will be shorter than 2 feet. And again, if you put 24 inches there, I don't think that would make any difference.